Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to align fillable text boxes on your PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. These are fillable text boxes and I'll align all of them and fix them alignment. Now select from option and here you will find select option and select annotation and drag your mouse cursor and select your specific one or multiple one. I select this three text boxes. Now click right button and here you will find align option. I will align all of them vertically and see this vertically center align, and also I will align this left side and see this left side alignment. If I align this right side and see this, also I will align top and bottom and see this, align top and see this top alignment. If I select align bottom and see this bottom alignment, and also align in this two of this horizontally and see this horizontally median. In this way you can align all of your fillable text boxes in your PDF file and you can adjust. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.